Perhaps suitable for our vlog here, the shortest vlog for one of the smallest countries in the world. It's so beautiful here in San Marino. You can see behind us is Tower 2, and I'm hoping to get the drone up. I've checked the drone laws and it says that you can fly. And we've just been enjoying time here in Italy, and we've got to go home tomorrow. Any thoughts, Miras?
It's all good here in Italy, San Marino especially. It's a small place, but the view is incredible, and I'll be sad to go back to England tomorrow.
So that's the beginning and the end of this vlog, and hopefully what will follow are some prime drone views.